So there is nothing more annoying than to come home from a great day of shooting and realizing your photos are f***ed up because of a dirty sensor. Just take a look at these examples. Sensor dust or any kind of dust on the lens will become more visible whenever you shoot in a higher aperture. For instance, this shot was taken at f4, and if we take a look at the sky, you will only see a few annoying spots. Compared to this shot, which was made on f16, well, yeah, you can see it yourself. It's like a swarm of locusts eating all of your pixels, which you can't get rid of in the field. So today I am showing you how to clean your dirty camera sensor. If you're a little handy and you're not afraid to open up your camera, I think it's a fairly easy job to do it yourself. The tools of today's job are my little rocket blower and this kit full frame sensor cleaning swab. You can buy these sensor swabs in different sizes, so make sure you buy the correct size that fits your device. Let's start the cleaning. The first thing to do is to start up your camera and go to the according menu to lock up your mirror. If you're using a mirrorless camera, then you can skip this step because then of course there is no mirror. For my camera, my trusty old Canon 1DX, I go to my menu setup number 3. I go to sensor cleaning, clean manually, and then the text appears. Mirror will lock up after manually cleaning sensor, turn off power to off. We accept and then we hear a clicking noise which confirms that the mirror is locked up. Then if we look inside, you can see that the mirror is locked up and that we can see the sensor. Whatever you do, don't rush during the cleaning because the sensor is a fragile part of your camera. You do not want to scratch it up in any case. If you are still watching till this point, hit that like button to give me some extra cleaning power. The first step of the actual cleaning. Let's start off by using my little rocket blower to remove any big pieces out of this camera body. By holding the camera upside down, you ensure that pieces will fall out and not just be blown around. Then the second step, grab one of your sensor swabs and apply some liquid. Not too much, just a couple of drops is recommended. You wave it a little bit in the air. The third step is to mop away any kind of dirt that is still on your sensor. One swipe to the right, one to the left, and this should do it. The fourth step is to check if you did a great job. End your camera cleaning mode, put on a lens, make a couple of shots on different apertures to compare the results. If needed, you can restart this process. That's basically it. I hope you learned something from this video. And if you don't feel comfortable doing this, ask a friend or contact your local dealership, which can do it for you. Anyway, I have a spanking clean sensor now to get dirty again. If you liked this video, watch this one where I repair my Manfrotto 410. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Let's go!